Good evening to all. We'll begin the class in 1 minute, okay? Okay, so let's begin the class and total members, I think not that much. Okay, fine, still. Let's continue with the class and those who will join, let them join later. Okay, so hello everyone. Today the class will be on circle as you see in the thumbnail. So today we'll cover up the circle chapter and all the types of questions we'll discuss, like from the MCQ level to the 3 marks question and all. Okay, so let me share the screen first, then we'll start. Yeah, just let me know, everyone, just any one of you, everything is visible, like audio and all, everything. Okay, text me in this chat box, please. Is it visible, everything, screen and all? Yeah, fine. Thank you, Shrikaran. Thank you. Okay, so let's begin the things and all, and just kindly keep your notebook and pen with you because you have to solve this. Okay, so today the session will be on circle. Okay, PYQs will discuss. In this circle chapter, I will let you know here the sections which we will going to discuss only A, B, C, because 5 marks problem, it is very major. Okay, it is like uh, in 5 marks sections it will not come. Okay, for the 1 marks we'll discuss, for the 2 marks we'll discuss, and the 3 marks. Okay, and at least 3 questions each, so which mean 9 questions for today. Okay, so let's begin the class. Let's go to the section A without wasting the time. Section A, okay, 1 marks questions. Okay, kindly copy the question and answer it. Question is, in the given figure, provide it will be provided. Okay, diagram will be provided here. We'll let you know. First, let me copy. PQ is a tangent to the circle. Okay, if angle OPQ is X, angle POQ is Y, then X plus Y is, okay, let me keep the option below. Options are 45 degree, B option is 90 degree, C option is 60 degree, and the D option is 180. Let me draw the diagram first. Here we have a circle like this, center is O, and let me draw that. This is a tangent. 2 minutes, let me draw fast. Yeah, P here and Q here. This is X, this is Y. Okay, figure out the answers, everyone. Things are provided on the screen, just figure out the answers. Okay, as we see here, things we have, this PQ is a tangent, this blue color is a tangent, this is our radius, and radius and tangent makes what, 90 degree, which means this part is what, 90. Okay, let me make it 90 degree. Okay, which means angle Q is 90, we know this, right? So if you will take a single triangle like this triangle only we are talking about, which is what, PQO, this is 90. Okay, so obviously this and this is what? That will be what? If you will add x plus y, what will come? Because the question asking about what? X plus y. See, for one triangle, addition will be 180. This q is already a 90 degree. So if you will add angle p plus angle q, what will come? X plus y will come what? 90, which means the answer will be B option. I hope this is clear now. Yeah, understood this? Here again I'm repeating it. This is the tangent here. This is our radius, and this makes 90 degree. Okay, in a triangle already it is a 90 degree. Q part is a 90, and P and O is what? X and Y. Question is asking about find the value of x plus y. So obviously if you will add P angle and the O angle, what will come? 90 only, right? So that is the answer. Let me switch to second question. This was the easy one. Let me switch to second one. Question is, in the given figure, TA is tangent. TA is tangent to the circle. Okay. TA is tangent to the circle. Done. Next, such that OT is 4 centimeter and angle OTA is 30 degree. Let me draw the diagram first, then only you will start the answer. Okay. Then length of TA is, okay. The question is this. Let me keep the option below first. Answer is 2 root 3 centimeter. B option is 2 centimeter. C option is 2 root 2 centimeter, and the D option is root 3 centimeter. Okay, let me keep a diagram here below. Diagram is like this. O is a center, this one and this one. Yeah, you can start the answer, everyone. You can start. This is 30 degree and this is 4 centimeter. You can start the answers. Continue with the answers, everyone. What you will going to do here? Small construction is there. If you will see, the construction is like this. For example, say this. If you will join this OA, okay, so we will get a one triangle. So let me write in triangle OTA. Okay, we have to figure out what the length of TA. TA is where? This one, length. Okay, so as you see here, this is our 90 degree here. Okay, because this become the radius and this is our tangent. Fine. According to that one, this is a p value, this is height, and this will be the base. Correct? But here, see this. We have theta value? Yes, we have a theta, which is what? 30 degree. Then we have h value, that is that 4 centimeter. We have to figure out what? Base. Base is the only TA. Okay. According to h and b, what you will going to apply here? Tell me. According to this one, obviously you will apply cos theta. Cos theta ratio is what? B by h. Correct? Keep the value. Cos 30 is equal to b value, let it be as it is. H will be 4. Cos 30 answer is what? It will be root 3 by 2 b by 4 cross multiply. So it will come what? I'm doing directly. Okay. 4 into root 3 divided by 2. Cancel out 2 root 3 centimeter, which means therefore 80 equal to what? 2 root 3 centimeter. Let me make it a circle. See, this is our answer, which means the option A is the correct one. Understood this, everyone? Did you understood this? What we did? First, you need to join this. Let me mention again. You need to join this. Then only this will form a one triangle. We have a theta. We have a height. We have to find the base. Base is only the TA. Think about it, okay? And according to h and b, you will apply cos theta, cross multiply, you'll get the value of this. Understood, everyone? Yeah, fine. Let me switch to next one. Today's session will be like not that much longer one, like yesterday we did, because in this one we have to discuss only section A, B, C. Okay, next one. In the given figure, okay, PA and PB are two tangent. PA, PB are two tangent. Okay, such that angle APB is equal to 50 degree. Okay, then measure angle OAB. Let me keep a value first. A option is 25 degree, B option is 50 degree, C option is 75, and the D is 100. Let me draw the diagram. I will make it here. This is our circle, okay? And we are having a two tangent, which means let me keep first one and the second one like this. Here is PA and the B, okay? Let me join to the center. Question is asking about this angle. Let me make a blue color. See this small one, this blue color. This is 50 given. What you will going to do here? Let me know, boys and girls, what you will do. Get me the value of OAB, this blue color. What will come? Figure out the answers. Those who don't know, you can see the screen. Those who know, you can figure out the answers, okay? As you see here, we will get one quadrilateral, which is what? Let me make a mark of this one with a green color. Say this, a green color. It is a quadrilateral, as you see here, correct? Which is what is the quadrilateral name here? PAOB we can write, okay? So we know that opposite angles sum will be what? Sum is 180, correct? Which means opposite angle means angle P and angle O will be the opposite angle, which means angle P plus angle O should be what? 180, because it is a quadrilateral. Okay, angle P value is given 50, angle O is 180. Okay, so angle O become what? 130. Okay, so at least we got this angle 130, angle O. Now you know this one thing, OA and OB is the radius, which means both will be equal. Let me make a mark of this. See, OA and OB is the radius here. So we know that angle O becomes what now here? 130, okay? And OA and OB will be equal. Let me mention here, because both are the radius. If two sides of the triangle is equal, below angle will be equal, which means this angle, let me make a mark with different color. See, this yellow color, this yellow angle and this yellow angle will be equal. Let me draw the Sabre diagram for that one. Say this. Here is the angle O, here is A, and here is B, okay? If these two are equal, which means this angle and this angle will be equal. It is isosceles triangle, right? I hope this is clear now. So this angle we have, what is that? 130. So these angle A and angle B will be equal. So let's assume it only, okay? So what we're going to do here, let me write it. Let assume angle A and angle B be X, okay? So in triangle OAB, X plus 130 is equal to what? 180, which means this angle will be 180 because it is a triangle, okay? And angle O we kept it 130 directly. Now 2x become what? 180 minus 130. 2x become what? 50, and the x become what? 50 by 2 cancel out, you'll get 25 degree, which means question is asking about this only, this one. Check this blue color, now I kept as a red color. So which means the x value will be what? So angle OAB we assumed as x, what is the value? 25 degree. So option A is the correct one. Understood this, everyone? Fine, most of you got the same answer. Understood this one at least? What we did, first you have to assume this quadrilateral, then what we did, we found out the angle O, okay? Then we got one triangle like this, and angle O we know that, and what we did, angle A equal to angle B, fine. Just we assume like this, we got the x value, that is the answer. I hope this is clear now. Okay, everyone? If anybody have a doubt, you can ask in the comment section. If you don't have, let's switch to the next one. Question number, section B now. Section B. First one. Section B, we have, yes. In the figure, AB is diameter. We'll draw the diagram for this, okay? The diagram is provided. Diameter of circle. BC is tangent. If OP bisects the chord AD and angle AOP is equal to 60 degree. Okay, find angle C. Let me make a diagram first, then only you will proceed. Circle is given, and here we are having this diameter. Okay, AB diameter is given. Next thing is this is our tangent BC. Okay, and the line will come like this. Yeah, check this out. The question is this. Let me make a mark. This is a P point, this is D point. Okay, and this angle is given. This angle is 60 degree given. Let me take a small one. 60. No. Okay, I'm marking like this. It is given 60 degree. Question is asking about angle C, which means the question asking about this one. What the angle will be this? Check this out first diagram, okay? How you will going to solve, boys and girls, how you will going to solve here? Yes. Anybody have answer of this? Let me check. Anyone have answer of this? Till now, no one. Okay, let me start then. See what things we will have here. We have to find the angle C. Let me take a different color. We have to figure out this blue color angle, okay? So first, take a triangle, that one, that small one, okay? In triangle AOP, I hope you can able to see that AOP, that small one, okay? Which means this one I'm talking about, this one, okay? Here, see, angle O is, this part is given 60. This part is what? This is what? 90 here actually. It is 90. So what should be the angle A? So which means, let me write the names first. Angle A plus angle AOP plus angle APO is equal to 180. Okay, first step. Angle A we have to figure out, plus angle AOP becomes 60, which is given. Angle APO is what? 90, it is given, and equal to 180. Angle A become what? 180 minus 60 minus 90. The answer become 3030. Okay, which means this angle become what? 30 degree. Now take the another triangle, in triangle ABC, which means the complete triangle, okay, the complete big one. Now check this out. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to what? 180. Now angle A value we have. Do we have angle B value? Do we have that? Yes, we have. Angle B we have, because this is also what? 90 only, na? Radius and tangent, remember? So angle A, just now we got it. What is that? 30. Angle B is what? 90 plus angle C equal to what? 180. So angle C becomes what? 180 minus 90 minus 30. Answer become here 60 degree. That's all. I hope you understood this. First, we had taken the small triangle. From that one, we got one angle. Then we have taken the big triangle. Then we got the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Anybody have a doubt on this? You can ask freely. Just feel free to ask. No issues. Anyone have a doubt in this? I feel nobody. Then switch to next one then. No one. Okay, fine. Now switch to next. In the given figure, triangle ABC is circumscribe a circle. Triangle ABC circumscribe a circle, okay? The length of BC. The length of BC is, let me draw first. Circle is kind of this. Triangle is given like this. I'm doing with a free hand, that's why maybe the things will be not okay like that, but still just try to understand this. Let me make a mark of everything. Q here and a C here and R here. Okay, yeah, and let me put the values here. AP values given. AP is 4. Okay, PB is 3. This whole is 11. And question is asking about what is this value. At least you can able to find this one. Try this, everyone. Try this. Try this, everyone. Try this. Here, if you don't know, you can just see on the screen. See what we're going to do here. See, one thing we know that from a single point, if two tangents are drawn, both will be equal. So let me write it down first. From point A, AP equal to AR, correct? Again, I'm repeating it. From a single point, if two lines are drawn to the circle, both will be equal. So AP equal to AR will come. Fine. Do we have a AP value? Yes, we have. What is that? 4. So just keep the value. So AR also become what? 4 only, right? Which means this part become 4. Fine. Both are 4, 4. Both become equal now. Now, tell me, you know that from this B point, BP and BQ is given. So which means BP is 3. So BQ will be also 3, right? So let me mention that. Point B, what will be equal? BP equal to BQ. BP is what? 3 equal to BQ. So BQ become 3. Okay, at least we got BQ. Now we want what? QC. Then we will going to add that. Then we'll get what? BC completely. Okay, tell me now here. Last part. This part is 4. How to figure out this? Whole is what? 11. Whole is 11. This part is 4. How to figure out RC? So let me take it here. If AC is 11, AR is 4. So what is RC? What are you going to do? 11 minus 4. Answer become 7. Okay. So RC becomes 7. This one. That becomes 7. And you know one thing, that from the C point, CQ and CR is there. So if CR is 7, CQ become what? 7 only. So let me write this also. So point C, CR equal to CQ, correct? CR is what? 7. So CQ becomes 7. Now, how to figure out BC, this complete straight line? You will going to add BQ plus QC. Let me mention, you're going to add BQ plus QC. So how to get BC? BQ plus QC. So what is the BQ value? 3. QC value 7. Add it, you'll get 10. So BC is 10. That's all. Is it okay? Anybody have a doubt in this one? What we did? This is a real concept which we're going to use it from a single point. Remember, from a single point, two lines will be drawn that will be equal. Okay, that we did. And for the all 3 points we did the same way. We got the values. Is it okay? Okay, let's switch to question number 3 now. Question number 3, yes. Question number 3 is, in figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle B is 90 degree, BC is 48 centimeter, and AB is 14 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Find the radius of circle. Let me draw first. We are having a one circle here like this, okay, and things are like this. Check this out. Here is 90, okay, remember this 90 degree. Let me make a mark of everything. Center is O here. Okay, let me make a mark first. Here, this is joined, this is joined, this is joined. Okay, R value, this is also R. This is what 90 here, as you know. Let me make a mark of this one. Here is B, here is A, and here is C. Okay, and BC is given that, what is that? 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. AB is also given. It is given what? 14 centimeter. Question is asking about what is the R? What is the radius of circle? Question is asking about this. What you going to do here? Let me know if anybody have idea. We'll wait for 1 minute here. What you will going to do to get the radius of circle? Yes, anyone? If anyone have an idea, let me know here. See, first thing we can do here, let me check the chat option. Tell again, which one? Okay, let me figure out this one first, then only we'll switch to back. Okay, let me continue then. Say this. Now let me take a triangle first. In triangle ABC, as you see here, in triangle ABC, this big one, this all triangle, here is 90 degree. So this is our base, this is our perpendicular. How to figure out the h value, which means this part? So we know that by the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can able to solve. So the formula, we know that h square equal to p square plus b square, right? Keep the value 48 square plus 14 square, and I'm doing directly here. It will be 2304, and this will be 196. Add it, you'll get 2500 h square, and h become what? Under root 2500. Answer become 50. Okay, so which mean h value at least we got 50 centimeter. Till it is okay. Now next thing, we have to do some construction here. What is the construction? I will let you know. See how what we will going to do here. The construction is this. See, we have to join this one. Let me take a different color, then only you will understand. See, this blue color lining, we are joining it. Okay, why we joining this, you will get to know later. First join this. With the center, we just attached all the points. Now check this out. What is the help of this one joining and all? Say this. What is the help of this? How to get the R value here? Now, as you see here, boys and girls, 3 triangles you can see, able to see here. Let me write the triangle name. Triangle BOC. Can you able to see that? BOC. Check my pen. BOC. Okay. Second is what? Triangle AOC, which means AOC. And the third one is triangle BOA. I hope this is clear now. These 3 triangles, you can able to see that. Now see, last what we need to do. Write down area of triangle ABC equal to, add all the triangles here, all the 3 triangles. Area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOA. See, how to get the area of the whole triangle? If you will add all the three triangles here, which means this, you'll get that, okay? You know that what is the formula of area of triangle? 1 by 2 into base into height. So let me write down 1 by 2 into base into height here. Okay, for this area, what you're going to do? Same thing, 1 by 2 into base into height. Again, for this one, what you'll do? 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, again, last one, in this one, 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, now keep on the values. Okay, for area of ABC, base value, we know that what is the base value? It is 14. Height value is what? 48. Wait, let me. Yes, just put on the all values. Wait, let me erase it. Base value, just keep it 48 into 14. Okay, here 1 by 2 into base into height. For this triangle, let me shade it. This triangle, the base into height will come what? 48 into R. Okay. For this AOC, which means this one, it will come 1 by 2 into base 8. So base will be 14 into R. Last one, this one, BOA. This will come what? 1 by 2 into, wait. Let me erase it. Wait. BOC is the first one. AOC. Okay, wait. Here it just we kept it randomly. Here it will come this one. Base is here 40, 50 now. Yes. Now it is clear. Now 14 into R. I hope this is clear now. Till here it is okay. Now just figure out this one now. We are in the last part of this. We can take 1 by 2 common. So 1 by 2 is common. So 48 into 14 is here. Here 1 by 2 common. So what will come? 48R plus 50R plus 14R. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 got cancel. 48 into 14 equal to, add all, after addition of all, what will come? It will come 112R. Okay, and the R value become what? 48 into 14 divided by 112. Now after cancellation and all, you'll get 6 centimeter. That's all. See what was the process. Well, first what we did, we were having this P value, we were having this B value, and we got to know the H by the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now how to figure out the radius? We had just did the construction like this. We got three triangle like this. Okay, we know that how to get the area of triangle of the addition of area of all the three triangles. If you add all the three triangles inside, you will get the area of ABC. That's why we equated like this. All the formula remain the same. Keep the base value, height value like this, and we got the R. I hope this is clear now. Is it clear, everyone? Question number 3. This question was kind of little bit new for you, but just still try to just understand this one. Is it okay? Yeah, let's switch to the last section, which is of section C now. Question number 1. First one, let me give a very easy kind of, which you did already. Two concentric circle are of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. In this one, there is no any provided of diagram, so we will take the help of question and we'll draw. Okay, so by reading the question, you can able to recognize what kind of diagram will come. So obviously we have two concentric circle, radius of 5 and 3. So let me make first 3 centimeter circle. There's of 3. Okay, and from the same thing again we'll draw the big one, and Obviously this diagram is not the exact one, but still just try to figure out. Okay, and this whole one will be what, 5 here. Okay, let me mention with the this color. Yeah, see, small one is 3, big one is 5. Fine. Question is asking about find the length of chord of larger circle, which means that chord should come in the larger circle and should touches the smaller circle. So can we draw something like this? Let me draw. See, it is touching also. Is it touching? A here, B here, and the C. I hope, is it clear? See, this value is what? 3. The whole value is what? 5. AB is a chord here, and which is touching this smaller circle also. Okay. How to figure out the answers? Anybody have idea about this? How to figure out the answer? Anyone? Anybody have idea how to figure out the answer? See, let me make a mark in. Here is 3. Okay. And obviously this BC is what? 5 only, na? Larger circle radius was what? 5. Here I kept 5, but still here we can also keep 5, right? So let me erase that part. Like these things will get confused and all. Now, is it okay? Check this triangle now. Here we have a 3, here we have 5. Can you able to figure out this one? So just figure out that value. So what we're going to do, let me name it here, make a mark of O. Let me make a, yes. Okay, let me find the value of this one. Okay, so in triangle BCO, okay, we have a CO value which is what, 3, and BC values which is what, 5. How to figure out BO? So you will apply this Pythagoras theorem to get the answer. So apply that Pythagoras theorem. So what you will going to do here, let me take BO, yes. So apply this, BO square will be what, CO, I mean sorry, BC square minus, we are applying this Pythagoras theorem, okay? So BC square minus CO square, okay? So this will be 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, and this becomes 16. And BO become what? Under root 16, answer become what? 4 centimeter. So which means this BO become what? 4 centimeter. Okay, if BO is 4, obviously this OA will be the 4 only. Make a double of this one. See, we have to figure out the value of AB, correct? AB stands for what? OB plus OA. And you know that, therefore, OB equal to OA, correct? So can we write a name of this one as a OB only? So OB plus OB. We replace the name, okay? Because both are same values. And OB value we have, what is that? 4. 4 plus 4 become 8 centimeter. So therefore, the chord length is 8 centimeter. I hope this is clear now what we did. This was the easy one. Yes, yes, correct, good. 8 centimeter. Those were keeping as a 4, that is only a value of BO. Remember this. We have to double it. We only got to know the value of this one, this BO, okay? We have to find the value of the whole one, correct? So make a double. So 8 centimeters is the answer. I hope this is clear now. Okay, let's switch to question number 2 now. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, yes, we have this one. Prove that, the question is of proving, okay? Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. We have to prove that parallelogram as a rhombus, okay? So what kind of diagram will come? The diagram will come like this. Let me draw that. Obviously, you will make a circle like this, and you will make one rhombus kind of, okay? Mm. Yeah. See, we made a circle. Let me draw a separate good one. Let me draw first a rhombus. See, we made the rhombus like this and make a circle inside. Yeah, now it is clear. A, B, C, D. This A, B, C, D is what? It is a parallelogram now, but we have to prove what? Rhombus. If you will prove all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. So how to go to do this? Say this. First, you will write what? First, write down here. See, we need a proper answer writing. So just it is a proof one. That's why here was write down given. Given is what? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. I'm telling you the answer writing also. Okay. ABC is a parallelogram. To prove what we need to prove, we have to prove that ABCD is what? Rhombus. Okay. Now let's start with the point A, and let me mention that also here. PQRS. Yes, from point A, as you know that point A, two things will be equal, which means AS and AP will be equal. Okay, AS and AP will be equal. Take it as a one. Now, from point B, what are you going to do? Point B, BP and BQ will be equal, correct? So, BQ equal to BP, okay? Second one. Now, same way, point C, CR plus CR and CQ will be equal. So, point C, uh, CQ and CR will be equal. Third one. And the last one, point D, which means this one. Same way, DS, DR will be equal. So point S, DS and DR will be equal. Take it as a 4, last one. Now just combine all the things, okay? So from equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how are you going to add? Add all the left hand side together, which means the left hand side together and the right hand side together, okay? So let me write that AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS equal to AP plus BP plus CR and DR. Okay. Now check this out. Last step of this answer. Say this. If you will add AS and DS, which mean AS and DS, what you will going to get? Complete AD. So let me write it together. Then only we will proceed with the answer. AS plus DS together and BQ plus CQ together. That side, let me write it the perfect one. AP BP. So it is together only. Let me write here. Then only you'll better understand. CR plus DR. Now check this out, boys and girls. Yes, say this. This value means AD plus this value means BC equal to. Now this value means AB and this value means CD. Now check this out. If you are adding this one and this one, it is equal to this one and this one. So which means all sides become same now. Can we write AD equal to AB equal to BC equal to CD? So all the sides are equal. ABCD is a rhombus. For proving as a rhombus, we need to prove out all the sides should be equal. So we had proved it. All sides are equal. This is the main proof here, this one. I hope this is clear now. Is it clear, everyone? How to prove it? Just one concept from the point, you have to take the like line like this, combine all, and you are done with the answer. For proving, write down the given and what we need to prove, just mention these two things, okay? This is the proper answer writing. Write the given always and write the things what you need to prove it. Okay, fine. Let's switch to the last one, question number 3. Last question here. Okay, in this question, the diagram is provided in the given figure. In the given figure, A circle is inscribed in triangle ABC. Okay, BC equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to 10 centimeter, and AC equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, find the length of BL, CM, and AN. Let me draw the diagram first. Okay, so triangle is provided like this. Fine. And a circle is kind of this inside. Let me make a mark of everything. A here, B here, and the C here. Here is L, here is M, here is N. Okay. And things are provided. AB is provided. What is that? 10. And BC is 8. This is 8. And AC is also provided. What is that? It is 12. Question is asking about, let me make a mark with this red color, BL, which means this one, CM is this one, and AN is this one. Yes. Question is asking about find the length of that, all the parts and all. This is M. Yes. Actually, you have to use that same concept which you're using before. You can try this on your own. Boys and girls, try this. Try this, everyone, try this. See this. Yeah, like better you see on the screen. Okay. If you know, it is like good for you, but like better you see the screen. See, we can do one thing here, how to get the answers and all. Same thing, same concept. Okay. You know that from point A, AN is there and AM is there. Both will be equal. Okay. Same thing. Let me take a different color, then only you'll understand better. See, from point A, AN, AM will be equal. Correct? See the explanation, boys and girls. From point B, BL and BN will be equal. Correct? Same applies there also. From point C, CL, CM will be equal. Correct? Now, what we going to do here, and see, maybe for this question and all, I won't write the whole answer. I will go for the partial answer. Last answer just complete by your own. Okay. I'm giving the hint. See this. From point A, okay, we know that AN equal to AM. Okay. So let's assume it. Let's assume AN and AM be X, which means this is X, this is X now. Okay. Now same thing from point B, which means this point, BN and BL will be equal. So here also assume something. Let assume what? Let assume anything, just assume it. BN and BLB, just take it as a Y. Okay. So which means this part become Y, this part become Y. Same way from point C, what things will be equal? CL and CM will be equal. The same thing again. Let assume CL and CM be Z. Okay, so which means this is Z, this is Z. Now let me know what the equation will come. Say this. If you will going check the pen and all, okay, everyone check the pen. If you will going to add X plus Z, what will come? 12. If you will add Y plus Z, what will come? 8. Same way, if you will add X plus Y, what will come? 10. Correct? So let us write all the equations here. Therefore, X plus Z will be what? 12. First equation. Second one, Y plus Z becomes 8. Second equation. Third one, Third one will be x plus y equal to 10. And I hope you can able to figure out the answers from this one. Correct now? So just figure out, this is your task. Try this one at your home and let me know the answer of all the things, which mean uh, keep a mark on this one. See, I want the answer of this x, this y, and this z. Okay, you need to figure out the x value, y value, and the z value. So just figure out what will come. X value stands for, let me mention here, x stands for the a n value, which means this one. Okay, y stands for bl value, and the z stands for cm value. I need answer from your side now. What should be the x, y, z? We got all the three questions here. Just figure out the answers. Okay, so just let's conclude for today, and we're going to meet in the next session, maybe by tomorrow. So just try to figure out the answer of this one first. Just copy the things and all from the screen, and we will going to end this class. Copy this, everyone. Either you can stop the video and you can just copy it. Okay, I'm just stop sharing the screen. 5 marks Paul is not here in this particular chapter. Rarely it used to come. That's why we didn't discuss. For MCQs, 2 marks, and the 3 marks for this chapter particularly it will come. Tell yesterday last problem answer. Okay, we'll discuss in the group then for that answer. Okay, we can't discuss here because we can't include the Trigo chapter in the circle. We can't include that. Copying and all, you can do it later, no issues for that. You can again watch the video, you can stop it, and you can just copy it. I need answer for that XYZ. Okay, so let's stop it, and like thank you for being here. Thank you all for joining the class. Let's meet in the next session. We will let you know later. Okay, 2 marks question. Which one? Question number, tell me, first, second, third, which one? Dhanu Primes, question number 2. Okay, let me check. Let me go back to that one. Okay, let me share the screen then. Okay. See, this only now. This only. Just let me know in the comment section. This question only you are asking about. Question number 2. 3. Okay. This one. Okay, fine. Fine. See how we're going to do. Let me make a space. 48 and 14. Okay, fine. Say this. Let me draw it and let me make it a short one only. See, this value was A here, B here, and C here. Center is O. Okay. Okay, below line is not there. Let me check that triangle shape. Wait. Okay. Yes. This is our R only, right? All other radius here. O point is this. And this is 48 given, this whole side. Below part is 14 given. Okay. So question is asking about this radius. What is the value of this radius? If you will get the radius, obviously this all three will be same. Okay, because the radius of the circle is same anywhere. So first thing what we did, we applied the Pythagoras theorem to get the AC value. Okay, this is our perpendicular, this is our base, this is our height. Okay, so we had applied Pythagoras theorem to get the answer. So what we did, like p square plus b square we did. Okay, by the help of p square and b square we kept the values and all. I feel what was the answer of this one? Let me check the back one. Okay. After addition of this one, we got 50 as answer, which means this value becomes 50. Next thing, what we did here in this question part, we had constructed something. What we had constructed, say this. We had joined the kind of line like this. Why we joined this? From the help of joining and all, we got the triangles. See, this question we can't do directly. So what we did, we had just joined this. So see, we got the first triangle like this. Okay. Let me make a mark. Second triangle is below one, this blue color. And third triangle, let me take it as a black one. See, third triangle is this. So now tell me, if you will add these three triangles, what you will going to get? See, this black color, this blue color, and this green color. If you will add these three triangles, you will get this whole ABC. So what we kept? We kept what? Area of triangle ABC equal to what? Area of triangle BOA, then plus area of triangle BOC and area of triangle COA. Okay, we did this one. Now you know that area of triangle formula is what? Base into height. So same thing applies here also. This one also base into height, which means this one. For this one also 1 by 2 into base into height. Again same thing applies here also, 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay. Why we applied this Pythagoreans to get this 50, right? So see, we all have values here. Now check this out. For this green triangle, the base value is what? The base value is 48. Height is what? Height is we kept as a 14. This one. Same thing for this black color triangle. The black color base will be 50, height will be R, this R. Okay, that thing we did. And just we added it. Let me get back to that one. See, we kept all the values like this. And in the last, we got the R answer. That we did here. Is it okay? Is it okay to understand this? Fine. Yeah, no issues. No need to say thank you and all. We are there for you and all at any time. Okay. So you can leave the meeting. No issues. Thank you.